Saturday Stars, yes,
oh yes. They might come up. Yenyaba so there na yenyaba. And some of the doors. And some of the doors. Men no so ye come up. Men no so ye come up.
Yeah.
Meaning baby our person the SRCF. Na ye nin komo kakra.
Maybe I think say I'll start with a Vinicius Jr situation with Real Madrid.
Okay.
Because 17 minutes ago, an update be by. Oh, so this particular standoff, a Vinicius Jr and a Real Madrid for the experience, it is a controversial kakra. Now, the reason why I make us a controversial is say when you have a player of Vinicius Jr and the caliber and the kind of performance or done it for Real Madrid throughout the time over the last few years now. You realize that he's not just any type of player at all. Very good player. He will give you the goals, presence in the box, outside the box. If I say young carry ball, he has all of those attributes. But if you have such a player, now ABA the contract akabe just a few months now, I was saying at least in Benyifono at Real Madrid, they should have been able to at least have that conversation with their player, and find a way to agree on something. Player no bet me to an so. Now, 17 minutes ago, in our assembly ever.
Okay.
Vinicius Jr.'s Real Madrid contract expires in 2027, and no agreement has been reached yet between the player and the club. Now, Arsenal Fono are pursuing a deal. Now, Arsenal Fono because and now maybe my update no. One of the things I now made when say. This particular deal will be very expensive for Arsenal for no. Omar say bet me akwa player no. Bet me try the monthly the weekly wages no. But the thing is that for how long can it continue? Because Oyawa say Vinicius Jr 470,000 pounds a week in Mpua. Gabi, at the end of the year, that is averaging over 25 million pounds. And does it make financial sense? Say Arsenal for no would want to make that kind of investment in a player friend Vinicius Jr. when they know very well, say when they go into the market, they can get other types of players of the same kind of qualities as Vinicius Jr. But as it stands now, Arsenal for owners say they have given approval to the idea of moving forward with the deal.
So I'm back it down.
They are not back. So the thing is that the good thing about sad deal way and say that's for us now. No? As it stands now, Real Madrid for Manai clear to Vinicius Jr. say, Sika when the mouth 1 year, there's no other negotiation anywhere. It is either we will sell you or you will wait at the end of your contract after 12 months, so then you go on a free transfer. But that is very unlikely. So Real Madrid said they will make Vinicius Jr. go for a free transfer. So as it stands now, so Vinicius Jr. and the representative and his agent no man nyantum said the Real Madrid person the man no. It means Arsenal for a crowd to take the player, sign him, and give him the amount he's looking for.
But I think Sena say Arsenal say one person will match the same amount and what Madrid.
Good. But my question is say, does it make financial sense for Arsenal Football Club?
Okay.
In time past, we saw it when player your friend Mesut Ozil moved from Real Madrid to Arsenal. Now the wages no was 3 year pound, but the thing is that Vinicius Jr. as you see him currently, no, the amount he will take and the image rights attached to the player, no, on pay more than 50% from a Real Madrid for no. He wanted 50% of his image rights. If you have a player like this who has a lot in terms of his abilities, that's number one, but is very demanding in terms of salary, number two, no. Is he that kind of player that Arsenal don't necessarily need at this point? I don't think so, Gabi. Even though say Akoya say Arsenal are the only suitors for Vinicius Jr. at this point, no. Nyameme can say it will make financial sense if only Arsenal were going to give him something lesser than 470,000 pounds on piece of the man. No. Because it means that 470,000 pounds, you are averaging close to 500,000 pounds a week. Gabi, would you pay a player of Vinicius Jr.'s caliber $500,000 every week? Arsenal for no Omagia to me say, oh, the player is good. Or Bobby Bomaye, or you're excellent player, or my goals, or flanks, you're competitive, you're Kobo Europa, or that is valid. But the truth is that is 500,000 every week going to be sustainable for us now? Gabi, the master Messi, it's Arsenal for no. If they are okay with that, they go in for the player because according to reports, no, should he want to join Arsenal, Uti, the agreement is expected to be found on personal terms, and then only more important, seeing the transfer fee, no, because Sika o person o player no every week, no, and here that personal terms, no, is what is most important. Now him say no, Omudi just said there was an agreement on personal terms between Vinicius Jr and Arsenal, and Opeya the global force enya no credit. The global Brazilian outlet, news outlet, or more Brazil abontin so. Almost say enya no credit that. Say Vinicius Jr and Arsenal have agreed personal terms, which means Gabi, do you know what? And some America or Hakran say about £470,000, and sure it will be more than that. It could be more than that. But say it say the agreement was £470,000 a week. Now, according to Brazilian outlet the global phone, almost there is no agreement in principle between the two parties. So,
Mame Hadiwe, Tamana Mbappe,
good,
Eba Madrid, with this issue, I say, Pandit Baby can say, Madrid to Mbappe a good for Madrid, good, a good deal. But I granted about based on the salary and in the near mention, one way I need the division at the about Madrid team. And you know, be near Arsenal because Arsenal's team, as they say, is stable. With a Jumana coach in the Mikel Arteta no.
Yeah.
Now from the last 2 seasons in the Arsenal prayer so Magic UEFA Champions League number 1 don't bet Magic League or Magic League I can't UEFA Champions League that means one more target one more priorities no more set now Omanya Bako the big one now and as the biggest one the woman UEFA Champions League Vinicius Jr bar and my message project now Arsenal for now in terms of dressing room stability.
That is, you see, I like the angle of Odiaba. Do you know why? You see, with Mikel Arteta, one of the things I used to say last season, and he said, if Mikel Arteta is able to keep the core of the players that he has and maintain the unity in camp, and make sure say players now they call Champions League final, he is able to get the best out of them. This particular season, there's nothing that will stop Arsenal from making it again to the Champions League final and possibly even winning it. Because Gabi, the thing about success and say opese o achieve bibi na ebia o bo humode na o try na o ko anim na ebia wentinya nya. The only thing that you can use to encourage yourself is that I've been here before, I can do it again. Now say players now all at your disposal no, if they are able to maintain that unity in camp, there's nothing that is impossible. Okay. It is only Vinicius Jr ebe kasa team we ho. On paper it strengthens us now automatically. You can't take that away. But one of the reasons why even I was looking at Arsenal for the fact that Omuluzu key players be in Leandro Trossard mo, I was asking myself, why would Leandro Trossard, after winning this season with Arsenal, no, the title, no, who decide all of a sudden to leave? Yet he said Odegaard who was considering leaving, club captain, considering leaving the club. Martins will be made the money now, but news who said they wanted to leave. You see, that is where the problem is because say Arsenal for no. Now, Omufi said the inclusion of Vinicius Jr is what will cause the increase for them. That is going to be a big problem because when you are trying to build a successive squad, it is not just about the names alone. Okay. It's about the chemistry you build with the team. Vinicius Jr coming into Arsenal setup no will come with demands. Me person me boni say, me person me boha, Okofa me abo say, £500,000 a week. He is coming into the team. He has his own demands. He has his own expectations. Obana Oba experiences how cultural shock no Englander and in Arsenal team now. The likelihood of he delivering the way Arteta expects on delivers her.
Okay.
He will not deliver the way Arteta expects it. It is easy for you to plug one player from a team like Real Madrid and put him into Arsenal and expect say he will deliver. But Okopa no so the dynamics involved with playing for Arsenal no are different. And when I look at Vinicius Jr. the mentality no, in recent time the kind of controversies are about Vinicius Jr. You see, when you are playing for us now, with all the stigmatization a cut him for a very long period, overcome with the facts of winning Champions League, no, you need players who are mentally strong to deliver on the pitch, not a player who is demanding more money. Oba team no pedo who say Arsenal for person who check the salary no or moving from Real Madrid to Arsenal, then came over there, and because of the fact that he's not mentally so strong, he's not able to cope up with the pressure. But whatever you do, say week we corner one bobia the £500,000 e beba beden the bottom untimi nya ho hwe wasane contract na wie. So these are the dynamics involving a Vinicius Jr. And if I were Arteta no, I'll be looking at it very closely. Not just say, okay, you go a good player and me sign him another.
Okay.
Those are not the solutions to the problems. And I think I was saying Arsenal fortune because at this point, no, Omwa na the only suitors for Vinicius Jr. What's the club for bidding?
You know, for now, even the Saudi Pro League clubs now last season for now, I mean, make it.
You get the point.
Move, yeah.
So I would have been very cautious, even from this direction alone. In Kaya were more suitors for Vinicius Jr. there. They would have known that okay, there's something happening here. But akwa is ne no kwane de sikana o hwehwe no. And so betimi amane say sikana de he will come. But there's a risk attached. And I think that is what I want to see from Real Madrid for now. Gabi, Newcastle for no are appointing new manager. Now, and I was very interested in Newcastle for situation because now maybe some who say but Newcastle for no public investment fund for no Saudi Arabia for no meji 85% shares of Air Newcastle no 2021 no. When they took over the club, what was their initial idea? Because of course, Matthias Geisler wabeji edwani free Eddie Howe hono. The kind of coach that he is no, or a very good coach. And I can promise you that from now and henceforth no, yebe Newcastle for in a different light. But I was say ekwe echine ku hu ade bi kakra. Eddie Howe was the manager who delivered Newcastle for the first trophy in 70 years. Well, bro, almost share Liverpool Carabao Cup final 2023. Energy is our trophy, no. But after Yasser Al Rumayyan, governor of a PIF, Saudi Arabia company, no, in Newcastle, no. One of the things that Omokai say, the takeover of Newcastle to them no felt like something that was prideful. The Saudi Arabia sika abe investing in the Premier League. No or they young fatu say at that time no Chelsea mpo omo club no for $3.5 billion. Same as Manchester United, open 30% stake in Manchester United at that time. $700 million. But ono no sika through public investment fund no ebe share Newcastle no. They brought only £350 million. And they made an 85% buyout of team my friend in Newcastle. $350 rather. $350 rather was giving them 85% of a Newcastle. Now, what was the vision? That is where the problem is. Because say transfer strategy of Newcastle over the last 3 years has resulted in the sale of Alexander Isak, number 1. The sale of Sandro Tonali, number 2. The sale of Anthony Gordon, number 3. And the possible sale of Bruno Gia or free Newcastle Echo Arsenal, number 4. You are asking yourself, what is the plan of Newcastle to recruit new players into the team? Because it's Saudi for Badia. Someone saying Kasikaye Bebre or Newcastle wasn't committing the call market this way to call recruitment. Because already you have sold these players, but you have not replaced them. And one of the things I as analysts near who what Brown team know was that Newcastle was supposed to become very competitive. Between 2021 till now, Gabi, who Newcastle in top 5 in the Premier League. They have not been competitive. So there's a problem there. When a Saudi investor abeji Newcastle 85%. Now what I say, a prideful so abeji ejubano. Then there's also another problem there because on say the governance of the club no. Enya idea as a done nisu too much.
Okay.
As a Nigerian say, I don't good. As a nisika na aba and abese Newcastle mu. And another thing and they say Saudi Arabia for no, they have a certain goal to make football something that they will be very happy about because 2030 no be hosting FIFA World Cup no. And by 2030 they wanted to extend their influence in football in terms of investment.
Okay.
In the South African Saudi for no through public investment for no Newcastle no. Aside the fact said to Al Rumayyan it was prideful. The global idea for Saudi Arabia in terms of football was that by 2030, no, by the time Ome hosted World Cup, no, they would have invested a lot into sports across the world.
So then the name will cast across.
You understand?
Okay.
Because Osha PIF phones say they are investing in football, they are investing in golf, they are investing in a lot of sports across the world. Okay. Until they wanted to extend their influence. But you see, the problem is that now, no, Newcastle is in trouble. Because before Eddie Howe, Ekase or Jay Jumano, he wanted to continue leading the club. But for a teamer, where just players 4-way among Mefio, you made a total of close to about 300 million from that. Mm-hmm. Now, Sasikano, how have you invested it? Player Ben Amato.
Because other than that, you big name be Echo Newcastle.
Yeah, be.
Every last 2 seasons, any last season ever, big teams in Newcastle, we have the mentality so best stressful. Well, very hurtful. So bit me winning
against them.
You can't say Newcastle. From now, as a barber team, be like me, yeah, Brighton Club, yeah, Brighton Club was already changed. Newcastle for now,
and it's very sad.
Well, but it's a coach near there. And
now, what is he doing over there? Yeah. Because if these players are leaving, not only board, didn't come on or catch on. We say no, we have to do things in a different way. Just the direction is so haphazard.
And the project, you know, so
that is where the question is, because Matthias Jaisla from Al Ali in Saudi Arabia, he's their person.
Okay.
He's their person. He's a person that they know and trust. If they say, "Akwa say nipa na owo na we fi ono," they say, "Yadi nipa abeshe ho." So now there is a certain control that we can still have over Newcastle, not just about the governance structure, but about the coaching and the playing body as well. Because Eddie Howe, when he was there, he registered his displeasure a couple of times. Say, but acquires a boardroom disconnect between the managers at the top and the coach at the bottom. It is a now for a coach who said, say, Newcastle and manage the club to change his mind overnight and say there be money beam. It should tell you something, Gabi. It's the assistants right now, no. Matthias Jaisla or RB Salzburg, former coach Obeji Al Ali Ejuma in Saudi Arabia, no. He's connected to APIF one. They know him very well. And yes, the kind of philosophy he has is expansive football, attacking. But the thing is that will he get the support of APIF one at this time? Because they say Obeji Ejuma, he's their person. Okase ope player we are obetimia nyesa player na say Newcastle for who say be player we our market no so or cost 70 million pounds we me enko fa no mra no member mayen. Is this something that he'll be given the freedom to do?
Because me if in near day ben na me wonder say club yeah ba beto club no na if in Man City for no crampa no the controllers of the Premier League. Me can't say because league recent no matter to do.
Yeah.
And in terms of young first canto players there, BBR, me tomato player be. No me worry say. Yeah, enjoy monopoly. Into the internet will be banners on here barbe say. And no be I worry. But I say from that year neighbor Amanda Stanley move free money and the other. I see team no ababe BBR oh Newcastle. But question and person bizarre say so see big clubs no more Premier League no musro so ombebo Newcastle no you be say dey be man.
You see for new what will happen CC and say I want to see the recruitments and Matthias Jaisla.
Okay, but quick one CC Chelsea ne Tottenham 1-1
you be Chelsea won't come CC because we will update be about Chelsea. But you see, I want to see recruitments and Matthias Jaisla and whether he'll be given the freedom, because that would be the only way I'll make him compete in the English Premier League.
Okay.
Because they Newcastle look at them very well. At this point, no, they need to make recruitment. From they have to buy players. Player Ben Water. Say Premier League. Person will cover midfielder crowd from Team IFN Crystal Palace. You are paying nothing less than £100 million. Because Steve Parish say, player from Adam Watkins, Chelsea person or Ben Ukraine, they have to pay £100 million. It is a say Premier League proving player there. You have to go for more than 100 million. Look at Nick Woltemade or Motoye.
Oh no, so buy
Enko ye. So when you go outside, there's a problem. When you stay inside, you spend more money. So that is the situation with Newcastle City. And I want to see in the next few weeks, because se wako fa nipa or ye nipa dia, you have to empower him.
Okay.
Player bia, you have to you can't do that.
Okay.
You need to empower the guy. He needs to go into the market. He needs to make signings. Now signings now work no. Enya basa signings bia o. Hwe players o malusu. Look at Sandro Tonali alone.
Yeah.
The kind of influence and dominance no wo mfifi ho. One ton on nkwa what's out on Bruno Guimaraes. It would have mfifi what saying mfifi on
up front so what's answer no Anthony Gordon no kura team no and then what's say no. And then CC are down yet it is you can say Lewis Hall. And so ever come Manchester United
or Chelsea.
And teacher say a chilo one so what's answer. Satino Levermento na Levermento.
In Levermento crowd.
No so mujano man call. You see, in this team they answer I say and so.
Intino, the only way Newcastle will be competitive, Sisia and they say PIF no through omo governor yefno Arumeyana Sisia wakofa coach yefno Matthias Jaisel from Al Ahly in Saudi Arabia Ediaba Newcastle no. The only thing they can do for him is some money can come market no make purchases. Otherwise, I don't see this Newcastle team making any significant improvement in Omubobo or Mobo. And I think that's the only thing I make about Newcastle for no.
Oh, okay. But Tino the Omunyanton for now.
No, Tino Nyanko.
Tino
Nyanko. But it was speculated so Kobe Fio.
Yeah.
It was speculated so Kobe Fio. Gabi Chelsea. And na meet a press conference no ahead of a match on Torian Mospe airball. And ye bisa Xabi Alonso about Cole Palmer. And Oka Simbi. Or say Cole Palmer, he likes the guy because of his mentality. Because of the fact say or a player because of dog game Nintino. He doesn't struggle to impress when he goes to the pitch to play. And when he looks at Cole Palmer, Adia Ohunwo Cole Palmer and he said he's going to be the leader of the team on the pitch. After me tie sansem sana me say no. There's something that Xabi Alonso has seen in the player. Or person who use that thing to elevate the Chelsea team. Can make a story being chill. Pochettino say, "What brought Beji Chelsea adwuma fresh no." Omo your first training session be. Omo say your second training session be. The third time they did the training session, omo pon training session no na okọ on the office. Ena Cole Palmer ebe bo ni prum kokoko. Ono catch ni so omra inside. Oba inside no. Ena ohun say Pochettino ete ho. On an assistant a your friend Jesus. No omo nyina ate ho. Ena obisa Pochettino say ena training no omo ye no. Ohun say o favor player be over Onono Cole Palmer in a certain number 10 rule. Into a person bisa Pochettino say eje na wono no enye to become more competitive and play better than sa player no.
Wow.
As Pochettino say Ohano say wow, this guy has a different mentality.
So it's not like Wabase ni buofu say
you
favor player no over no. Emom no on no person will enjoy that position no.
O person ohun o person obisa Pochettino nkan kire no.
Okay.
What can he Cole Palmer do to elevate his game? Because when we say or favor our player no more than him.
Okay.
Or man more chances more than him. Into no he wants to know from Pochettino point of view what can he do to improve upon his game. And we say no, wow. This guy is a different guy. No, this guy is a different guy because how many players now? None of my do can put it or Jina Park so no autofista no ujina ho.
No buy a first say entukwa no dey.
Aye.
Or maybe say dey na my wrong.
Debi o pass man no kra na ono no say ball no or say beble mu kra so one pass ball no yie. But look at the mentality of Cole Palmer. It is a Xabi Alonso said this guy is a leader off and on the pitch. And he loves the game and he's going to be the star man for Chelsea there. I don't doubt it. Gabi, Chelsea is going into a season where if they don't take advantage of the strength they have in their team there, I don't know what they can do. And I love Xabi Alonso the warrior because when you look at even the 3-2-5 formation now, you realize that there is a formation where it will include both Cole Palmer and Morgan Rogers. And yes, Baku ever replace Baku. No. You will find both of them in the team where you are playing 2 number 10s. In the side 2 number 10s, no, you are getting 2 players who have originally connected. They are very good friends. They have a very good understanding with themselves. And you will have both of them as number 10s in one team. Gabi, tell me what the team cannot achieve. They will achieve a lot. In Xabi Alonso, no, another thing I can say, he loves the fact that once the team is disciplined, you have freedom over the team. Now discipline, no, where would that discipline come from? Wakofa Jordan Henderson, Abba. Wakofa Daddy Welbeck, Abba. In the next few days, they will confirm them. The truth of the matter is that some players may know where Omumbe joining Chelsea, no. They are coming to join Chelsea because of the leadership qualities that they have.
Okay.
Inti baby Xabi Alonso the voice ain't mean no. You have these 2 players as leaders on and off the pitch. Sebane say Ejida Park so na epese Shego na ebia ya kem ni ehu obi obeshama ya ni de Danny Welbeck free bench aba. Na Gabi, do you know that? And I don't know if you remember. Only that Danny Welbeck ni Joao Pedro wa more Brighton and Hove Albion omo at least 2 seasons together. So there is a certain unity that Xabi Alonso is building. Amafo bebre omo hu ni sa. Joao Pedro and Danny Welbeck, they play together at Brighton and Hove Albion. And you know, players look at Danny Welbeck and Jordan Henderson.
Yeah.
They played for Sunderland. Wabra Musha Chelsea 3-0 somewhere in 2011-2012. Then they are coming to play for Chelsea this time around again.
Okay, first if I'm na yantuaso.
The Chelsea team that we are seeing currently, Gabi, the team will move from one level to another level, and I believe said there Xabi Alonso or Chelsea Sisiano. By the time the season will end next season, no, Obia Behun said don't. There has been a change, there has been a transformation, and in summer Xabi Alonso added to Uja and all the transfer activities. So it will inure to the benefit of Chelsea.
Okay. Joshua Olotuna Martinenka. I share your number 1 account radio station the Asantema. Aje atumini na your ball last week combo